Good morning, Cindy here, and I have discovered pests are destroying the buds on my hibiscus before they can bloom. So we are going to investigate and do some spraying and try to get rid of these pests so my hibiscus can start blooming again. So I'm looking out here on my hibiscus plant, and something is chewing the stems and taking off every bud before they get a chance to bloom. So I'm finally getting out here investigating, and I've discovered several things going on. So if you look carefully on this new bud, there is a ring going right around the stem right here. And I have noticed this all over, and in just a short period of time, the buds just fall off, like here. The bud's fallen off there and there before it ever got a chance to bloom. Look how sad this is. They get in here and they chew around the stem and probably inside the stem too, and kill the bud. And they've done that to all of these. So I am springing into action this morning. White flies here. You can see this white powdery stuff, and if you disturb it, a little fly will usually pop out. Okay, and I also have ants. I found an ant bed that's either ants or thrips, but my spray says that it will take care of whatever that is. So it's very possible it's ants, maybe thrips. So I'm going to treat for both of those and that little spider, and we're going to save my poor hibiscus. These three little ants or thrips, I'm not sure which one they are maybe causing the trouble. So I'm ready to take action against these pests. I have several things here. I've got my mask. I highly recommend wearing a mask whenever you're spraying. Even though these are organic products, they can be harmful to your lungs. So I'm going to spray with my Captain Jack's neem oil, and I also have Captain Jack's garden dust, and they all, this one is spinosad, and that is not too terribly harmful to my pollinators. And I have an ant bed down below that I'm going to sprinkle some little ant granules, but not in the plant. That's just down on the ground. All right, so here I go. I also have a puppy here sitting next to the plant, and I'm going to have to make sure this dog goes inside. Okay, cutie boy. So I moved my hibiscus pot over, and sure enough, I had quite the little ant colony right below it, and that's why I have so many ants. You can't really see them right now, but there's a ton of ants down here and inside the pot. So I'm going to have to treat for ants too. So I hope that I have taken care of my pest problem. I will let you know, and we'll see if I get any more blooms. Have a great day. Bye-bye.